Well, we're not doing a long riding video today. We're just talking about memory. Why memory? Well, it's like storage capacity. Every bike has a certain storage capacity. My VTX, I've got about 2 days, maybe 3 days, unless I've got a big pack on the back. My Tri-Glide, I can probably put a month inside the bags. I know with the extra capacity I could go pretty much forever on this. It has a larger fuel tank by a gallon. It goes about the same distance, give or take. Reason why is I probably drive a little faster, and when we're going on long trips I have it filled up more. But why are we worried about what's inside of it? Well, I ran out of memory and I had to get a new memory upgrade, and I got a 4 terabyte instead of the 1 terabyte that I had been using. I hope you guys enjoy these videos. I'm starting to delete the old ones from my system because I don't think I really need to keep the old ones. They're still on YouTube if you want to watch them. Please go back and watch them. If you like what you see, please like it in YouTube. Please comment and let me know. I'm going to try and keep the ride videos going. If you like what I'm doing, let me know. If you want something more like this, where some people sit down and talk in front of the camera, I don't mind, I can do that. But I need to know what you want. Me, I like doing the ride videos, and I'm going to tell you doing the ride videos. I'm going to try and change them up a little bit. I know it's starting to warm up, and more bike places are letting you take it out bikes. Not everyone's going to let you take a new bike. Some will, some won't. I've got a pretty good agreement, and I'm able to do things with some places, not with others. I'm trying to find people who will help me out so I can review other things. Everything I've reviewed so far, outside of like restaurants and that, they're places I go. They're places that I normally eat at. If it's someplace I've never gone, I can't say anything about it. If it's something I've never used, I'm going to have to use it for a while before I could say something about it. I've been a Harley fan. My first new motorcycle was a Harley. I bought it overseas military sales when I was stationed in Korea the first time. I've had a number of motorcycles since. I've only had 3 new motorcycles, and that was my first one that I bought in Korea. Didn't pick it up until I got back to the States. My VTX, which I bought in Germany, and it's got 84,000+ miles on it, still runs. She doesn't like starting in the winter, she never has. And my Tri-Glide, which I've put 10,000 miles on in COVID, and it's pretty fun. But hey, this isn't just about me, it's about us and our communication. And hopefully you guys are liking what I'm doing. Let me know. Let's keep the fun going. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Now, I did go and I got my trike. As you can see, it's pretty deep up in there. I can get 2 of these bags, which is more than enough for about 4 or 5 days per person. That one's got all of my emergency gear in it. Got the upper, which can easily fit 2 helmets. Right now I've got a lot of winter gloves in there, but I've really increased my storage capacity. Why am I still talking about storage capacity? Well, as I said, sometimes you have to go up in storage. Now, one thing they never tell you about a trike, lock your trunk before you go, because a bump can loosen that. The upper, you can just shut it. You don't have to lock it. Now, I also increased the engine. I went from a 1300, but this is a 114 cubic inch. I've got my helmet, better communication. Now, what does that mean for my old bike? Well, I still ride her, just not as often. I still ride this bike. It's something that you got to think of.